UNLV, where rebels make it happen.
First, let us congratulate you on taking the right step towards your academic future and career goals.
By now, you've been accepted and admitted, or may be awaiting admittance to the university. The next step is to secure housing. Whether on or off campus, there are many housing options one may pursue when moving to Las Vegas. This is an important process to complete before you arrive.
One of the major issues students may face is arriving without proper housing accommodations.
This video will guide you through our on-campus housing application process and what to expect upon completion. Now, let's begin the application process.
First, you must visit the UNLV housing website.
Under the displayed photo gallery, locate and click the Apply button. The Apply page will load and you will locate and click the Apply to live in the residence halls button. Please read and follow the steps to apply. Located at the bottom will be the Apply Online Now icon to begin the application process. You will be prompted to enter your UNLV ACE account information.
This information is sent to you upon admittance to the university and is very important information throughout your collegiate career. Once logged in, you will be able to view your entire housing account in this portal, known as the Housing Director portal.
Here you will be able to view items such as your preferred room selections, your actual room assignment, and your dining/meal plan.
On the left-hand side, you will see options identified as housing application, contact information, room selection, RCR/damages.
For the purposes of this video, we will mainly focus on the housing application selection.
Once clicked, a list of options for applications will drop down.
If you are new to the on-campus housing experience, you will select the term designated for your collegiate start.
For example, Fall 2023 through Spring 2024 for those beginning at the start of the academic year.
Side note: students who have been approved for a payment deferment, please select the payment deferment option listed. Once you select your term, the first piece of information to pop up is the housing contract. You will verify you have read it closely and accurately by entering your full name or choosing the second option to utilize a touchpad that will guide you to create a signature.
Pressing continue, you will be instructed to answer a series of questions and select a variety of answers to give us a better idea of who you are as an individual. Please keep in mind that the first 5 questions are required. The remaining questions assist in our roommate matching process.
The next page will instruct you to enter home and mailing address information, emergency contact information, and privacy information. These entries require completion.
Side note: if you are under the age of 18, please indicate so and include parent information. An email will be sent to parents so they may co-sign the contract.
Once finished, you will be directed to input your living requests, numbering 1, 2, or 3, with 1 being most important. After this is complete, by clicking Continue, it will direct you to the payment page for the application fee. Once payment is processed, you will receive a congratulatory message and welcome information sent to your Rebel Mail account. We encourage you to visit the housing website for further information as well as the housing handbook. This is located in our Calendar and Resources section, along with important information and dates such as fall move-in. For any and all updates, please readily check your UNLV Rebel Mail for dates, times, and instruction of events such as move-in, on-campus events, and any and all things UNLV.
Information is also linked in the description of this video for easy access.
If any issue arises during the payment process, please contact our main housing office at housing@unlv.edu or 1-702-895-3489. We are excited for you to begin your journey with us as a Rebel.